In today's fast-paced world, change is a constant. And as leaders, how we respond to it sets the tone for our teams. Support yourself and others through change is a dynamic workshop in our leadership development series, designed to help leaders understand the emotional and rational dimensions of change and provide the tools to lead with empathy, clarity, and confidence. With built-in reflection exercises, relevant prior workshop tie-ins, and engaging icebreakers, this session creates space for leaders to sharpen their ability to support others and themselves through uncertainty. Change doesn't have to derail momentum. With the right mindset and approach, leaders can transform resistance into readiness. Learn how to guide your team through change with confidence and care.